Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this video, we will focus on the supplier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently manage your supplier's information and understand how to use the Parsimony system effectively. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the Accounting module to access various accounting functions. In the Accounts Payable section, you'll find a wide range of options to manage your payables efficiently. To manage your supplier information, click on the Supplier. To add a new supplier to the system, click on the Add Supplier button. Now, you can enter the supplier's details, such as the supplier's name, address, contact information, and tax details. You can also set default credit and payment terms if applicable. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on Save button to save the supplier details. You can view all your suppliers in the supplier list, where you'll find a summary of each supplier's information. To view more detailed information about a specific supplier, simply click on their name in the supplier list. In the supplier's profile, you can find the Purchase Orders section. This will display all the purchase orders associated with this supplier. Similarly, you can find the Purchase Invoices section to view all the invoices related to this supplier. If the supplier has multiple contact persons, you can manage them under the Contact Persons section. To keep track of your interactions with the supplier, use the Communication section, where you can find all the emails and notes related to this supplier. If you need to make any changes to the supplier's information, click on the Edit button. Now, you can make the necessary changes and click on the Update Record button to save the supplier details. If you no longer need a supplier in the system, you can delete them by clicking on the Delete button. Confirm the deletion to remove the supplier from your Parsimony system. Congratulations! You've learned how to manage your supplier's information using the Accounts Payable and the Supplier menu in the Parsimony. Now, you can confidently add, edit, and delete suppliers, keeping all your supplier data organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and happy supplier management!